Facey is like the game Hangman, but instead of putting a line for each letter, we use a specific notation to signify the type of grapheme and morpheme found in a word. In Facey, different lines are used to differentiate between each type of grapheme or morpheme. For example, a single red line can show a single vowel, a double red line can show a vowel digraph, a single black line can show a single consonant, and a dotted line can indicate marker E. Use line color to indicate different types of digraphs. For example, green can indicate consonant digraphs, and purple can show R-controlled digraphs. Our goal is not for children to memorize all of these linguistic terms, but rather to develop an awareness of how graphemes and morphemes function in the English language. Highlighting the type of grapheme helps reinforce that English phonemes can be represented by one, two, or three letters, that some graphemes may not represent a phoneme at all, and that a grapheme's position can influence its pronunciation and function, with certain graphemes not appearing in every position. When introducing this game to students, begin with a simple CVC pattern, explaining that the vowel will produce its short sound. I encourage my students to choose the vowel first, reinforcing that every syllable requires a vowel and that vowels are the nucleus of a word. Gradually introduce more complex graphemes, such as R-controlled vowels and vowel digraphs, along with morphological elements like prefixes and suffixes. Here we have the word writers. You can differentiate between vowel and consonant suffixes for older students, supporting their understanding of suffixing conventions. You can see that I've used a red box for a vowel suffix and a black box for a consonant suffix. This reminds students that there are conventions when attaching a vowel suffix. Create templates and then either project them onto a blank surface for large groups or print them for use with small groups. You can use physical graphemes or morpheme cards to play Facey as well. I find this easier than projecting a template. Students love to keep a tally of their wins, teacher versus students. Another thing we love about this game is that students who struggle with blending or controlling sight words can confidently participate in these games.